It may be related only Marcos. It may be related maybe Garuda. It may be related to Pyara. Yes. No one? Shreyash, can you show it? Okay. I hope Rishikesh sir is hearing me. So, Rishikesh sir, can you allow Shreyash to open his camera and share the screen? Shreyash, click on it so that we can see it in a large. Okay. Magarmach Marcos. That's fine. Marcos, good. Okay. Yes, direct action. Okay, someone else?
You all have to submit your notebooks in your classroom by making video from first to end. By writing page number and date, which day that topic is conducted, you have to write.
Akshay, I think Girse, right? Have you written down?
If I am not able to see in your classroom that notebook, then you will get that call. You will get call.
Akshay, can you share your screen with us? That's fine.
I can allow you Akshay for share screen. You can also share from your PC, or you have a mobile phone for that. You can. I know that you have mobile phone alternately. You can.
It is lesson to others that you always have to take down some of the points. Good morning, Abhijit. That's fine, Sid. Good morning, Aditya. No, what I wanted to make you all what I wanted you make you all to understand. Yes, you can show it. Rishikesh sir, can you? Yes, can you allow Sid to share his screen? Okay, fine. I suppose Akshay, we are waiting for your screen sharing. Will you please share your screen?
Screen sharing function is on by me. If anyone want to share his notebook, they can also, if you have pics.
See, now nobody can go with the excuse of sir मी सगळं लिहिलंय पण नोटबुक घरी राहिली. राईट, अशा प्रकारचा बहाणा तुम्ही करू नाही शकणार. So those who are thinking of that, सर सगळं मी लिहिलंय पण नोटबुक घरी राहिली. Okay. Yes, if you can go through it and do one thing. You can mute your laptop's audio, video, both. Fine. Okay, next. That's good. Organizations. Okay. Yes, quickly you can go through the points till it ends.
Filter of your laptop.
Adesh, just a minute. Let the Sid finish it. Okay, that's good. Quotes, particularly high quotes. Okay. Stadiums, that's fine. Then topic of capitals. Parks. Okay. That's fine. Okay, you can quickly go to the last one. Okay, that's great. Now see. Okay, thank you for sharing the screen, Sid. Now I think someone Aditya, you want?
Adesh.
Check.
Adesh Balwant.
Sorry, Adesh. Adesh, you can?
Do that again, Adesh.
So yes, just wait. I'm going to share some of the views. That's the reason I have asked that particular question.
Go on directly in your gallery if you have there.
Is there anyone who is trying to share his screen? Otherwise, please be quick. We are losing our time, and those who have joined very recently, they might be thinking that
Sir, we
it's
can see it also on the Google Classroom, sir.
okay. That's fine. No,
If
what
they,
I wanted to tell them, that's fine. That's fine. Right. So
they will got calls, sir. The old students who are, they will got call, and I think 10 students already that facing that they face call, sir.
okay. See, those who haven't written anything of the commandos, right? When I started PPTs or slides, I specifically what I wanted to convey here that, right? Uh, when I was writing, right? Most of you were writing something. That was the involvement, right? When I brought you to see the pictures, right? बऱ्याचदा आपण असंच करतो चांगलं काही पाहण्यामध्ये सगळं विसरून जातो आपल्याला काय करायचं हे विसरून जातो right it is a very good part that probably at the academy you will not be having opposite genders right so that would be obviously controlling some part but anyway so in this case what I wanted you to learn that don't get involved in seeing right whenever you are seeing it note it down right so what will happen you will be involving your brain mind hands right eyes even ears right जेव्हा तुम्ही हे सगळं पंचाच्यातून जाल so obviously it will be very easy and see every day right whatever we are seeing let's say in earlier lectures or earlier sessions exactly around only 60 minutes that we will see rather we see next day right in between initial first few minutes so probably I guess around 15 minutes of each of the session I'm spending for revising what we have seen in the previous one right see now you are learning something at the same time if you are writing something and tomorrow when I was revising it if you cope up with it I guarantee you that right it is assurance you will be definitely learning it very easily obviously you will be keeping it forever Right. So that is the purpose why I have asked this particular point. Anyway, see what will happen by that, Akshay. You will be having the obviously, right, obviously you should go through them, but always keep in mind, right, I'm of opinion that जी गोष्ट आज शिकताय ती परत शिकण्याची गरज नाही पडली पाहिजे. You will involve your all the organs in the process of this learning, and many a times I said that the process of learning is very slow, right? Only thing is that you have to cope up with it and perform at your own. Fine. So having noted down everything, that's a by and large good one. But what you infer from it, and then you just put it down. See, everything need not to be right, right on the notebook. Right? It will only increase the bulkiness of your notebook. Right? Don't do that particular thing. Anyway, so let's talk very first as far as no, what I should do. Okay, let's quickly go through whatever yesterday we have considered. So after recapping, I will come to this particular date. Fine. So we were seeing some part of training. So we have seen that para accepts are. Now see how to infer few words, right, from the given sentences, and that will obviously only that are very important. So para accepts trained or taught. Specialized modes. Specialized modes of infiltration, are by two ways, right? So by air, fine, and by diving. Fine. Infiltration and exfiltration. Suppose this is the line, right? Here you are, and here your enemy, as far as border is concerned, right? Whatever we will be considering. So whenever you wanted to go to this particular point, so you are infiltrated in this one, and again you will be coming back exfiltration. So there are two ways. Obviously, if you on the land, you will be right, but sometimes it is difficult, right? So you will be going through either through the water or by the air, right? So that would be the case you can consider. This is not only for at the borders, right? You know what had happened in the 26/11 at Taj, right? So with the help of the Trident Oberoi, with the help of helicopter, the commandos have entered on the roof of the hotels. I think in Taj they have gone by road. Right? So you can consider that particular infiltration, exfiltration. Fine. So getting into and doing whatever the task or performing whatever the task you have assigned, and then again coming back, right, safely. Fine. So that is the case you can consider for that one. Right. Now in this, I think there was one thing what I was saying, that at least 50 para gems. That was the next point. from around 10 kilometers height. In fact, it is exactly 33,500 feet. Always keep in mind. Fine. So at least 50 para jumps you have to perform. See, whatever the badges you are wearing, so in that particular case, you will be always coming across the jump indicator wings, right, on the badges. Some other day, I will make you introduce with the badges on the worthy of or the uniform of para. Right. So always keep in mind. So if you complete 25, 50, and 100, so you will be having 1 star, you will be having 2 stars, and you will be having 3 stars. Fine. Of that particular batch. So parachute batch along with the stars. Fine. That will be, you will be wearing it on the probably left side of your uniform. Fine. So the jumps. The next one, the paras are trained for I haven't said much about badges, but I will make you first see them. Like probably not in this particular session, it may get covered, but maybe in some other day. So I thought that energy and paras both will be simultaneously seen, or most of the badges. Fine. So at that time, we will be coming across this. So there are so many badges. तुम्ही बघितलं पॅरा कमांडोच्या समोरच्या बाजूने जर बघितलं तर उजव्या बाजूला 3-4 दिसतात, डाव्या बाजूला 8-9 दिसतात, राईट. इनफॅक्ट 6-7 आणि साईडला 2 असतात, राईट. म्हणजे जो पॅरा लिहिलेला शब्द दॅट इज ऑल्सो बॅच. फाईन. Basically ranks are everywhere, right? So what is your basic rank? That rank is always followed in commando, whether you are commando or not, right? So basically everyone is having a rank, and that rank is always followed everywhere, whether you are commando, whether you are para or any other commando, right? Your basic rank will be always followed. See, I will tell you one thing. I think I forgot to tell you. For example, Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan, right? So basically he was major. Fine. He entered into para. He got trained there, right? Then he served in the para. Fine. So if you consider, and then I think later on he started doing training of other commandos, right? So probably he would have been retained. Rather, it was supposed to be, right? Whatever I can infer from the things I know in the para for further training, though he get what we can consider get older, right? So that was the case. Now see, earlier also he was the major, and even para he was major. Yes, exactly. Right. So basic rank is always retained. So paras are trained for land, for air, and for water, right? See, Marcos are also trained for these, but they are specialized for the maritime operations, right? Fine. Then joint exercises you can consider. Joint exercises. Fine. Now see, if yesterday you could have written down the only names of the exercises, and name of exercise and country, then now in this particular case, how easily you could come across, or how easily you could remember it, right? So that is the motive why I was asking about notes, whether you have taken down or not. Anyway, I hope probably here onwards you will be always taking down some of the things. Right? So the joint exercises with the members of different countries. Right? So altogether 16 different countries, friendly countries, right, which we are currently having for joint exercises of paras. Right? So USA, United Kingdom, right? Then some other countries which we can consider. So with USA, we are having Vajra, Prahar, right? Vajra, Prahar, USA. See, these two words more than sufficient, because rest of the story you know. Right? So only first time you have to go each and every word, but next time very few words you will be always catching. Fine. Yes. Then next is Indra. For Bangladesh, it was Sampriti. Right. Indra is with the Russia. Right. Particularly Russian. Okay. As special forces. Then Sampriti. Sampriti with the Bangladeshi special forces. Right. Then Ajaya warrior. Ajaya warrior. So it is with the UK's regular infantry. UK's regular infantry, not of the special forces of UK. Right? It's of UK's regular infantry. Right? So these are the things you can always consider at the time of going through this. Okay, there is one question: why para commandos wear a maroon beret, and why they eat glass during the training? They do not eat the glass, right? So it is a exaggeration, or basically what they eat, a very dirty water, right? In fact, it looks dirty by color, but it is not dirty. It contains so many micronutrients. Right. So before this, there is a story that you